guys, it's Greg Rice from Nexus Property Management, and we're here in the beautiful country of Brazil right now. We're right off of the coast on a wonderful island, and I'm going to do payroll from where I'm sitting right here. And the beauty of being a franchisee is that you can do this as well. No matter where you are in the world, you're able to process your payroll with Nexus Back Office. It's a software that we've created just for you, so you don't need employees, you don't need a secretary, you don't need any of these clerical workers that cost you money. All of these functions are with buttons. And look, I don't even have shoes on right now. Now I can't do this every day, but I do have the flexibility to do it when I want, and so will you. And that's a tremendous benefit, and you'll get that as a Nexus franchisee. So let me get to payroll. I'll talk to you soon, and hopefully we hear from you soon.